There you go now.
Whenever I'll find you. How you do? How you do? How you do that? Hey boy. Yo, where's Spice then?
Yo, I don't know, brother, I don't know. A bowler, brother, a bowler. A bowler take care of that.
Bowler? Bowler alive?
Yeah, brother,
We don't kill Bowler.
No, brother. Bowler alive and kicking G. Man alive, brother. I'm a fighter. I'm a fighter, brother. That's cool, man. Yo, and the man that do some revengeful thing, brother. Some serious thing, brother. Worse than brown man, G.
Blood clot. That boy you can't stay there now. Wait. Sugar tell me say you kidnap Spice, you know. I boy should tell my mother and the youth. You feel you can't trick me? No boy can't trick me and kill me. You must be blood clot, man. People see when you do it.
Yo, brother, a bowler do it, brother, a bowler. But tell the man don't do it, you know. Tell him don't do it, brother. The man still do it. The man still do it. So sorry, my bro. Sorry, no man.
Bro, me and you don't know, bro. You don't mean nothing to my pussy.
Bro, yo, it was an accident, my G. I'm going to go off, brother. Accident, man.
Alright, it was an accident. This is an accident. Suck your mother. What with it? How I go on that so? No, man.
Wait.
How about your work?
If you kill me, Shadow, you're not going to find Spice.
So what kind of guarantee me have to say Spice and dead already?
She alive, man. You guarantee that, my brother. She alive, man. I tell you, man. But if you kill me, you're not going to find her. That me I tell you. You would need me to find Spice.
It's too late for that. How about it?
It will make the ring stronger. And no arm will overtake him. No bullet, no gun, no friend, nothing will harm him. Rise up!
Suck your mother.
How I go on that so?
Suck your dead woman, pussy. You get up.
Pussy. I'm more than one way for skin a cat.
Bumbuckler. Oh, so you suck your mother.